So you're going to have two separate warranties. The first one being the Ram warranty, which covers everything on your chassis. What's really important though is going to be your Noovo warranty. With this is you're going to get a couple different features. One to highlight that's extremely important is we are partnered with an agency called RVTAA. They're a certified network of technicians in all 50 states. There's about over 1,000 of them. Just to give you an example, if you're out in remote part of Yellowstone, your microwave or refrigerator fuse goes out, give us a call directly to us. We'll quarterback the whole situation for you. We'll find the nearest technician to you. Your warranty also covers everything on the build, from your Vitra Frigo refrigerator to your Contour microwave, Contour induction stovetop. Everything has a warranty on it. The lifetime on your warranty is going to be 3 years, 36,000 miles. If you have anything to do with your Ram warranty, something goes wrong on the chassis, it's also completely fine to contact us and let us quarterback the whole situation for you as well.